In this video, I'll show you how to use PureCode AI to generate API code for your backend. The task I'm going to have the AI complete is to generate an actual map solution instead of the placeholder that we see on our page here. So I'll go ahead and give it a prompt, and I'll say implement a real map solution for the placeholder map in the location section of the property details page. Make no changes to any existing page function. Call to action card, which is this one over here. Placement of the location component or any other components on the page. Additionally, use an embedded Google Maps iframe to avoid using any API keys or new libraries. After your generation, explain to me step by step how you would implement a more robust solution for the property location map if given more time. So I'm going to send that there and pass in my code base as context. And here on the left, we'll see the code being generated for our new route. And here's our explanation of a more robust solution. This includes geocoding, interactive map library integrations, as well as which libraries you need to use and how to implement them, API key management, as well as some performance and user experience considerations. With that said, we can go ahead and accept our change. And as you can see, we now have a map that represents the location of our property without any new libraries or new API keys. Here we can see this one for Seattle. It is also showing Seattle. And that's how you add API integrations with PureCode.